this video we're going to talk about some fundamental principles about voltaic or electrical AC arcing. Now, first of all, when you're using voltaic or electric arcing, AC voltaic arcing for skin tightening, you've got to learn how to use our device set and minimum power level. Now, in order to do that, the best way to accomplish that level of manual practice is by practicing on a piece of steak or chicken, as shown in one of our previous videos. So how does this voltaic arc, or sometimes called as plasma, really works? The principle is very, very simple, and it's been used for many, many years now. Now, let's say I've got here the device, and this is the tip of the device, or called electrode. Now, I have magnified this electrode in here. Now, what we can see is that there is a certain distance that we call D between the tip of the device and the skin or any other surface, because at the end of the day, this same principle applies to many other industries, as to say welding, cutting, industrial machining, and so on. So that distance D depends on many factors. However, two main apply in our device. As I say, one is the voltage of that electrode, and another one is the frequency. So the higher the voltage, the larger the D, that distance, that minimum distance required for the electric arc or plasma to take place, and frequency. The higher the frequency, the larger that D, and conversely, the lower the frequency, the lower that D. So what we've done in this device that we have designed is we vary that voltage there, that D. And if you take our device and put the electrode under an oscilloscope, you will see a sine wave. So what we do is we vary the voltage of the sine wave. Now, at minimum power, that D is very, very small. So it is quite important that you practice a lot, because if that electrode touches the skin or any other surface at low power, nothing happens. The arc extinguishes, almost nothing happens. But when there is a distance, the right distance, then the arc takes place. And that distance is very small, and this is why it's quite difficult the first time around to use the equipment at low power level. But as we've discussed in other videos, that low power level is quite important because it allows you a very high degree of accuracy.